today I'm going to be using some clippers, or trimmers I'll say, that I've had for a long time that I don't think any of my newer subscribers have seen because I have not used them again in a while. These are Andy's Superliners. I'll say it right away. The link is going to be in the description if you guys want to pick these up. These have a detachable thing. You can put different like heads on them to do different stuff depending on your needs, but you guys can go to my channel and watch the video or multiple videos that I've made with this if you guys want to see that. Reason I'm busting these out today is just because I didn't want to become like a I forget the word I'm trying to use, you guys can help me, but somebody that only uses one brand of clippers or trimmers or whatever and just loving that brand. But I actually do love these too. I started out with wall, then I got some like battery operated trimmers, then I think I got these, and then the only reason I stopped using these is because the other walls that I got were wireless. So this is still corded. I don't believe that they have any wireless version of this specific model, but there's a lot of pluses to these over some of the other trimmers that I've used in the past. I'm not really going to be talking much. I just want to show you guys, I guess, the quality that you can get from something like using those. So I'll zoom in on my beard real quick so you guys can see the before. It's not too crazy, but you know, definitely could use a lineup. Y'all see up under my neck. I used these last week. I meant to make this video last week for you guys, but we're doing it today. So here we go. Pretty quiet too. They cut like butter. They feel a lot better than using the other trimmers that I use, but for some reason I guess I've gotten used to the fact that if I could feel that line, then it's a real sharp line. This one, I don't feel it, but I can definitely see the line. There it is, and literally it's only been 11-minute record time. I'm definitely going to edit this down, but just to let you guys know, from the beginning when I pressed record on the camera to where I started talking, doing everything I just did, the camera still only had 11 minutes run time. So I was able to do it real quick. All I gotta do is my mustache next. Now I could be wrong with this last part, but I don't think these came with guards to actually do a fade, so I'm gonna have to check the description on the website to see if they do come with the guards and I just misplaced them, or if these are again just trimmers. I mean, that's what they're for, right? You're not really supposed to fade and do stuff like that with trimmers. You would do it with clippers, but the other ones I got from the other brand came with them, so I was able to, you know, fade and do stuff like that. This one, you're not gonna be able to do that. My bad. As I'm sitting here editing the video, I forgot to show you guys a close-up of the beard and the final product of how it came out. So here it is under my neck. I can't see what I'm recording, so hopefully it's coming out good. But yeah, this is what I was able to do. Again, I fully lined it up with those trimmers that I used, but it didn't have those clippers, or I didn't even look it up yet if they came with a guard or not. So I ended up having to do a fade with my clippers instead of those trimmers. But yeah, mustache, everything. Then I just went ahead and threw some coconut oil in the beard. So let me know how it's looking. Hopefully you guys liked the video, and yeah, subscribe, thumbs up, drop a comment. Peace.